Hey guys, East from Gen Coop, and right now I'm going to do a demonstration of the Forge blow-off valve with the windows open. See if we can hear it. I'm using my iPhone, so I'm not sure how the quality is going to be, but we'll do like 2 or 3 tests, 2 or 3 runs in 3rd gear. I find that's like the best gear to hear it, so let's do some runs as soon as I get on the highway right now. The windows are open, so let's see if we hear it. Let's see, I'll get a shot on my gauge. Sorry. Do another one so you guys can hear it again. And then I'm going to do one with the windows closed. So, the windows are now closed. Let's do some pulls. Here we go, and first pull. Let's switch to 4th and see if we can get a good pull on 4th. Alright, that's 4th gear. There we go. You could kind of hear it. It's not obnoxiously loud. I actually like it. It's a nice swoosh sound. But hopefully this video would help you get a good sound of what the blow-off valve sounds like. And to see my setup, watch my other video on the Forge blow-off valve setup so you know exactly how I got it to even sound like this. I had it with the recircles on, and the sound wasn't as loud as it is now. So I would recommend taking it off, and there's no difference at all, just sound-wise. So it's really up to you if you want to do that or not. But that's about it. Hope this helps.